Hi everyone, my name is Melody Deffabaugh and this is my second semester in the DNP program at JMU. Um, Personally, I am married to a lumberjack and I have two grown girls, ladies. One is 31, the other is 26. I do have one fur baby. His name is Charlie. He is a beagle that was hanging around my husband's job site for a few weeks and nobody ever came to get him. So he became ours and we've had him for almost 3 years. Professionally, currently, I work at JMU. I am part of the women's health faculty. I do clinicals 3 days a week with different sections. I also teach in health assessment, which is a first semester nursing class. And I also teach in the RN to BSN program. So I'm pretty busy with that. Uh, I recently finished my nurse practitioner program. So as soon as I take my boards, I will be a certified primary care pediatric nurse practitioner. Um, Along with this program and teaching, I'm just a little bit busy, but I absolutely love it. What I hope to get out of this class is just greater understanding so that as I go forward working on my project, I will have a good understanding of translating evidence to practice. But it's nice to see everyone, and good luck. It'll be nice working with you all.